Hey guys, it's Colleen. I picked up a bag that is secondhand from this YouTuber that I watch a lot called Cloverleaf Bags. And so shipping is always really fast. And so I've already got it. And so let's take a look. All right. Super cute. It is a Kate Spade. And they did some kind of Disney collab. I don't know what year this is from. I would probably have to Google it to see. But it's really cute. How cute she is. And I have Kate Spade Disney like SLG, so I should be fine on that. Got a little smudge or something right there. Look at that. And then we got a pocket back here. That's nice, and that's magnetic, and it finds itself pretty good. And then we got feet. Oh, look at her. Isn't that cute? And then we got magnetic pocket up front. We got a little tag here. It's super cute. And look like you can put something in there. I don't know what I would put in there. That's neat. All right, and then let's take a look at the inside. Oh, we got goodies. And oh, a nice dust bag. Let's see. Look, I like it. All right. Oh, wow. Customer appreciation gift. That's neat. That's a big one. She always gives these, and I appreciate those. I mean, she usually gives a different type, but I like getting Kleenex. And these, I do use these. And it's, I like how tiny it is because you can put that in any purse. I like that a lot. So we got a slip pocket up front. And you got a zipper pocket back here with a leather pull. And this thing, look how light that is on the inside, and it is super clean. I am happy about that. And then we have tags over here. Let's see. Okay. Minnie Mouse and Kate Spade. I am happy about this purchase. So, let's see what the customer appreciation gift is. Now, she don't usually give something this big. So. I guess because it's holiday time, huh? Oh, nice. Nice. I like this. Okay. It's a shower gel, bubble bath, and shampoo. Nice. I am just tickled. Not all of this. So this is what I picked up, guys. This purse, she sold it for $65. The handles look really nice. I mean, I don't think this person maybe used it maybe once or something, but they took very good care of it, and I am happy to have received it. Oh, let's look at the strap too. So it is removable and adjustable. You got something there. But this is super cute. This is small, a little bit smaller, it feels like, than the average Rowan, but this seems like the size that they used to have for on the Coach side. There was before they called it the Rowan. They seem like they had this size satchel bags. I can't think of the name of them now, but I have a couple of them that I got secondhand. But anyway, guys, you can tell me what you think. I am tickled about this, and I will talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.